Hi, sweeties. This is it. Just this. This moment. It's always now. No matter what. It's always free. Always fresh. Always new. This is beyond words. Beyond appearances. Beyond forms. Yet in everything. It's so full of everything. Full of love. Yet it just is. It doesn't belong to anyone. Yet everyone appearing in this. Everyone and everything. The mind can never understand this. The mind try to figure out, try to put label on this freedom and what is, but this is beyond. Beyond mind, beyond words, beyond any understanding, beyond anything. Yet it is everywhere. It's moving, yet not moving. It's talking, yet not talking. It's a paradox. It's beyond. Oink. Meow. Wolf. You see, this is not about words. The word just appearing in this. Yeah, and disappearing back into this, without a trace. Like rain, like a wind, like everything. Thank you, sweeties. I love you so much. Bye.